Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle for instant crypto payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a compatible banking app that supports Zelle. Download and install the app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Open the banking app and sign in to your account. Locate the Zelle feature within your banking app. If this is your first time using Zelle, follow the prompts to set up your account. You will need to link your email address or phone number associated with your bank account. Once linked, you may also need to verify your identity with a code sent via text or email. After setting up Zelle, find a cryptocurrency exchange that accepts Zelle for payments. Create an account on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange if you don't have one yet. Verify your account by providing required identification documents. Once verified, navigate to the section of the exchange that allows you to buy crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy. Choose Zelle as your payment method. The exchange will provide you with payment instructions. Open your Zelle-enabled banking app to initiate the transfer. Enter the recipient information as provided by the exchange. Input the payment amount that matches your crypto purchase. Verify all details are correct before sending the payment. Confirm the transaction in your banking app. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. Once the payment is confirmed, return to the cryptocurrency exchange. Check your account to ensure the purchased cryptocurrency appears in your wallet. If it doesn't appear immediately, be patient as it may take some time to reflect. Once visible, you can hold, trade, or withdraw your crypto as desired. You're now ready to use Zelle for instant crypto payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.